Okay, and here we go with question 9, probably the main reason you're watching this video. A very, very difficult question. Okay, acceleration is defined by the rate of change of velocity. An object travelling in a straight line, the velocity v in meters per second of this object, t seconds after the start of the motion, is given by velocity after time t is 8 cos 2t take pi over 2. As soon as you see pi over 2, you realise that we're talking radians here. Find a formula for A, the acceleration after time t, the acceleration of the object, t seconds after the start of the motion. Okay, now acceleration, rate of change. Now rate of change means differentiate. So if you've got the velocity given by that formula that they give you to get acceleration, you have to differentiate it. So v dash t is 8, just ignore that, differentiate cos something, and that goes to minus sine something, minus sine 2t take pi over 2, differentiate what's in the bracket, and you get 2, and that goes there. And you've got minus 8 times 2 gives you minus 16 sine 2t take pi over 2. So quite a difficult differential there. Okay. Part B, determine whether the velocity of this object is increasing or decreasing when t equals 10. So you want to find the acceleration when t equals 10. So we're going to put 10 through the formula that we just got for part A, minus 16 sine 2t take pi over 2. So we have minus 16 sine 2 times t is 10, 2 times are 20, take pi over 2. This is important here that you change your calculator to radian mode, so that's a good thing to practice how to do before you do your exam. Okay. So here we go. So when you put that through your calculator, you get 6.5. The acceleration is positive, that means it's accelerating. If it were negative, it would be decelerating. So it's accelerating, so the velocity is increasing. That's obviously what acceleration means. Okay. Part C. Velocity is defined by the rate of change of displacement. Now, again, this really helps if you've done physics. Determine a formula for S of t. S is distance in physics. Again, big helpful if you've done that. The displacement of an object given that S of t is 4 when t is 0. So here we go, back to the maths. Part C. Again, I'm just reiterating this as you can see it visually. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. So you differentiate displacement to get velocity, the rate of change. So how do you get back? You have to integrate velocity to get displacement. Okay. So the formula you were given at the start of the question was the formula for velocity. You have to integrate that to get back. So here we have it here. Integrate 8 cos 2t take pi over 2. Ignore the 8 for the moment. When you integrate cos, you get sine. So you get sine 2t take pi over 2. Differentiate what's in the bracket, you get 2. And as I've done earlier on in this paper, I times it by 1 over 2. You're really dividing by it, but I find that looks better. 8 times a half is 4. So S of t is 4 sine 2t take pi over 2 plus c. Don't forget we introduce a c here, and that just means displacement. You can see that there. When t is 0, the displacement is 4. So we can just put 4 equal to 4 sine 2. Remember, t is 0. So we're going to put these formulas, these numbers through here. That's going to be 4, and we're going to put 0 there. So here we have it there. 4 equals 4 sine 2 nothings are nothing, take pi over 2. Just gives you take pi over 2 plus c. Again, helpful if you just put that into radian mode. That gives you minus 1. 4 times minus 1 gives minus 4. Minus 4 add what gives positive 4, 8. So S of t is 4 sine 2t take pi over 2 plus 8.